Students, today we will begin with chapter number 2, Fun with Numbers. Page number 13, we have a picture drawn over here. There is a girl named Radhika who says, I have picked 24 seeds. Vicky says he has collected 42 seeds. Gauri says she has collected 47 seeds. Sunil says he has 38 seeds while Indra has 54 seeds. Now Radhika, Gauri, Vicky, Indra and Sunil were collecting Imli seeds. These few children were collecting Imli seeds, and we have to write down which child has collected the most number of seeds. First one is dash collected the most seeds. So answer will be Indra. INDRA. Over here you can see Indra has collected 54 seeds, which is greater than each and every one over here. Next is Sunil will collect dash more seeds to be equal to Vicky. Now how many seeds Sunil has? 38. How many seeds Vicky has? 42. Now Sunil needs how many seeds so that number of seeds with Vicky and Sunil are equal. So this will be 38, then 39, 40, 41 and 42, which will be 4. So we will write 4 over here. If Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have, here is Radhika, she has 24 seeds. Now if she has 6 more seeds, so this will be 24 plus 6. 6 plus 4 will be 10. So 0 down and 1 carry over. 2 plus 1 will be 3. So answer will be 30. Over here we will write 30. How many children have more than 40 seeds? How many children have more than 40 seeds? So this will be 1, 2 and 3. Gauri, Vicky and Indra, 3 children have more than 40 seeds. So we will write 3 over here. Next is dash needs 3 more seeds to have 50. Now we will see the numbers which are near to 50. They are 47 and 42. This is less than 50, this is more than 50, and this is extremely less than 50. So if we add 42 and 3, will we get 50? Let's check. 42 plus 3. 3 plus 2 will be 5 and 4 over here. No, we are not getting 42 plus 3 as 50. So this one is incorrect. Next number is 47. So 47 plus 3. 7 plus 3 will be 10. So 0 down, 1 carry and 4 plus 1 will be 5. So this will be the answer. Who has 47 seeds? Gauri. So we will write over here Gauri. Next one. Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40 and dash has 2 seeds more than 40. Now if we add 2 to 40, we will get 42. See, 40 plus 2. 2 plus 0 will be 2 and 4. 42. Now we need to check which child has 42 seeds. So answer will be Vicky. Vicky has 42 seeds. Page number 14. Dot game gives the number of dots in the circle. Now count and check your guess. Play this game with your friends by making circles. See who can guess the best. See, here we have a circle, and in that circle we have dots. First of all we have to guess, and then after we have to count and write. You can do this with your friends. You can circle anywhere in this box, and first of all guess and then count. So this is activity. Next is page number 15. Dhoni's century. One day match between India and South Africa in Guwahati India batting first. You can see in this picture a match is going on between India and South Africa, and the place is Guwahati. India is batting. Now a commentator says Dhoni on 96, only one ball left. Will he complete his century? And look at this, what a marvelous 6. Dhoni is batting and he has scored 96 runs. Now he has only one ball left and he need to score century. And in the last ball he scores a 6. So if we add 96 to 6, will it be 100 or more than 100? So fill in the blanks. Dhoni scored 96 plus 6, which will be 96 plus 6. 6 plus 6 will be 12. So 2 down and 1 carry over. 9 plus 1 will be 10. So this will be 102. So Dhoni scored 102 runs. Next one. How many runs do this player need to complete a century? See, what we will do, we have numbers and this player need to score a century. So century will be equal to 100. So we will subtract 100 minus 93, then 100 minus 97, then 100 minus 89, and then 100 minus 99. So first of all, 100 minus 93. Now 0 cut 10, 0 cut 9, 1 cut 0. 10 minus 3 will be 7 and 9 minus 9 will be 0. So in first one, answer will be 7. Next is 100 minus 97. Again 0 cut 10, 0 cut 9, 1 cut 0. 10 minus 7 will be 3 and 9 minus 9 will be 0. Next is 100 minus 89. Again 0 cut 10, 0 cut 9, 1 cut 0. 10 minus 9 will be 1. 9 minus 8 will be 1. So answer will be 11. You will have to write this answer 7, 3, 11. Next is 100 minus 99. So 0 cut 10, 0 cut 9, 1 cut 0. 10 minus 9 will be 1 and 9 minus 9 will be 0. So player 1 will have to score 7 more runs, player 2 will have to score 3 more runs, player 3 will have to score 11 more runs, and player 4 will have to score 1 more run to get a century. Page number 16. We have numbers 99 to 112 and 195 to 206. See, we have numbers in figures and numbers in words. 99 and 99 in words. 100, 100. 101, so 101. Now we have 102 written in figures only. So we will write 102 in words. You will have to write this in textbook only, but I am writing in this rough book. So 102 will be 102. This will be the answer. Next is 103, 104. Then we have 105 written in words but not in numbers. So we will write 105. And over here we have 105. Next is 106. Then 107. See, we don't have 107 written in words. So we will write that in words. 107. 1 ONE 100, HUN DRED 100, and 7 SEVEN 7. Next is 108. It is written in words but not in figures. So 108 and 108. Next is 109, then 110, 111. Then we have 112, which is written in words but not in figures. So we will write 112, which will be 112. Now next one, 195 to 206. We have 195, 196, 197, 198. Then after we have 199, which is written in words but not in figures. So we will write 199. Next is 200, then 201. After that we don't have a number written, in figures or words. So the number which comes after 201 is 202. So we will write TWO2, then in between we have 0. So 202. This will be the answer. Next is 203. Next is 204, which is written in words but not in figures. So we will write 204. Next is 205, and then after we have 206. So 206 is not written in words. So we will write that in words. This is page number 16. Now we have question at last. 206. Guess how many more to make a triple century? See, we have studied earlier that 100 is 1 century. So for triple century, triple means 3. So we will multiply 100 with 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, and 3 ones are 3. 300 will be triple century. Now we have 206. So we need to guess how many more runs needed to complete triple century. So 300 minus 206. We cannot subtract 6 from 0. So 0 cut 10, 0 cut 9, 3 cut 2. 10 minus 6 will be 4. 9 minus 0 will be 9, and 2 minus 2 will be 0. So answer will be 94. 94 more needed to score a triple century. Now page number 17. We have few players and their runs written over here, and below that we have certain blanks which we need to answer. Dhoni missed his century. How many runs did he need to make a century? Here is Dhoni and he scored 99 runs, but a century is of 100 runs. So we need to find out how many more runs are needed. So this will be 100 minus 99. So 0 cut 10, 0 cut 9, and 1 cut 0. 10 minus 9 will be 1, and 9 minus 9 will be 0. Dhoni missed his century by 1 run. How many runs did he need to make a century? So answer will be 1 run. I am writing over here. You need to write this in textbook. Now second blanks. Dash and dash scored almost equal runs. Now we need to find out from this table who scored equal runs. So first of all we have Sachin. He has scored 128 runs. Now we will check if there is any number which is near to 128. So here is the one, 127. So answer will be Sachin and Kapil Dev. Next one. Dash scored a complete century, no less, no more. It means we need to find out who scored exactly 100 runs, not a run more than 1 or not a run less than 1. So this will be 100. Gavaskar. Answer will be Gavaskar. Next is most runs scored by any batsman are. It means we need to find out biggest number from all this, which is 178. So answer will be 178. Next is dash and dash have a difference of just one run between them. See, Gavaskar and Dhoni have a difference of one run, and Sachin and Kapil Dev also have a difference of one run. So you can write any of them. I am writing Dhoni and Gavaskar. Next one, dash scored 2 more than 1.5 century. See, 1 century is 100 and 1.5 will be 100 plus half of 100, which will be 50. 100 plus 50. So 0 plus 0, 5 plus 0 and 1. Sorry, 5 plus 0 will be 5. I am writing over here 100 plus 50. 0 plus 0, 5 plus 0 and 1 plus 0. 150. Now it says 2 more run than 1.5 century. So again we will add 2. 2 plus 0, 2, 5 and 1. 152. So answer will be Rane, who scored 152 runs. We will write over here. You need to write this on page number 17 in textbook itself. Now page number 18, counting in tens. It means we will take 10, 20, then 30. Likewise 10, 20, 30, then after 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. This will be the answer. Next is 110. So it will be 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, then 160, 170, 180, 190 and 200. It means we are adding 10 to the previous number. Next is 310. So 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390 and 400. Next we have second number, which is 720. So this will be 710, 720, 730, 740, then 750, 760, 770, 780, 790 and 800. This will be counting in tens. It means we need to add 10 to the previous number. Next is counting in 50s. So this will be 200, 250, then 250 we have to add 50 to this. This will be 300, 50 to this will be 350, then 400, 450 and 500. Then next one we have 550, then 600, 650, 700, 750, 800 and 850. This will be the answer. Now question, how far, you can write this in textbook as well as in CW. How far can you go like this? We can go on and on because there is no end of numbers. This will be the answer. You have to write this in CW. This answer will be provided in assignment. Which is the biggest number you can call out? There is no biggest number that you can call out, because if I say a bigger number, you will have another bigger number than that. Now moving to page number 19. On page number 19, you have this table and the question is color the numbers. Over here you have 3 tables in which green, red and yellow is written. There is a number, first one in green, 140. This is 140. You have to color it with green. Next is 202. Here is 202. You have to color it in green. It means you have to find all these numbers from the table and color it in the particular color given in this table. Now there is 300 plus 70 plus 4. This will be 300 plus 70 plus 4. Now 4 plus 0 will be 4. 7 plus 0 will be 7 and 3. Next is 600 plus 50 and plus 6. 6 plus 0 will be 6 and 5 plus 0 will be 5. And 6 we don't have anything, so 656. Next is 100 plus 50 plus 5. So 5 plus 0 will be 5. 5 plus 0 will be 5 and 1 plus 0 will be 1. Next is 600 plus 40 plus 2. So this will be 2 plus 0 which will be 2. 4 plus 0 will be 4 and 6 plus 0 will be 6. 100 plus 70 plus 9. 9 plus 0 will be 9. 7 plus 0 will be 7 and 1 plus 0 will be 1. 179. This will be 800 plus 10. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 1 will be 1 and 8 plus 0 will be 8. So 810. Next is 600 plus 90 plus 9. 9 plus 0 will be 9. 9 plus 0 will be 9 and 6 plus 0 will be 6. 699. Next is 70 plus 4. 4 plus 0 will be 4 and 7 plus 0 will be 7. So 74. Then after we have 90 plus 80 plus 1. 1 plus 0 will be 1 and 9 plus 8 will be 17. So we will write 1717. 171 will be the answer. Now you need to find all this numbers from this books and color it green, red or yellow as given. Page number 20. Jumping animals. Gabru, Bunny and Taru are jumping all the way. Gabru jumps on every 7th box. Bunny jumps on every 5th box and Taru jumps on every 4th box. On every 7th box, Bunny jumps on every 5th box and Taru jumps on every 4th box. Gabru starts jumping from 90. Bunny starts jumping from 99 and Taru starts jumping from 106. Now page number 21. Bunny's 10th jump is on number. See, we need to find out Bunny's 10th jump. So we will write 10. And Bunny takes 5 boxes in one jump. So we will multiply 10 with 5. So 5 zeros are 0 and 5 ones are 5. This will be 50. And Bunny is starting from 99th box. So this will be 99 plus 50. 9 plus 0 will be 9 and 9 plus 5 will be 14. So 149 will be the answer. You have to write this in textbook. Next is Taru's 10th jump is on number. We need to find out 10th jump. So we will write 10. And in one jump, he is taking 4 boxes. So we will multiply with 4. 4 zeros are 0 and 4 ones are 4. So 40 will be the answer. And he is starting from 106 box. So 106 plus 40. 6 plus 0 will be 6. 4 plus 0 will be 4. And 1 plus 0 will be 1. So 146 will be the answer. Next one. Gabru's 10th jump will be on number. Again, we need to find out 10th jump. So 10 and multiply with 7 because he is taking 7 boxes in one jump. So 7 zeros are 0 and 7 ones are 7. 70. Now he is starting from 90. So 90 plus 70. 0 plus 0 will be 0 and 9 plus 7 which will be 16. So 160 will be the answer. Gabru and Bunny both jump on numbers. Cancel this question. Next is find out. Taru and Bunny jump on numbers. Also cancel this question. Cancel this, find out all the 3 questions.